A rich man lives in a big city near the sea. A rich man lives in a big city near the sea. He has got 3 daughters and 3 sons. He has got 3 daughters and 3 sons. One daughter is called Beauty because she is very beautiful. One daughter is called Beauty because she is very beautiful. The other 2 daughters are called Rosalind and Hortensia. The other 2 daughters are called Rosalind and Hortensia. They are lazy and unfriendly. They are lazy and unfriendly. They like going out and having fun. They like going out and having fun. They both want to find a rich husband. They both want to find a rich husband. They do not like Beauty because she is beautiful. They do not like Beauty because she is beautiful. Beauty has got long red hair. Beauty has got long red hair. She is kind and friendly. She is kind and friendly. She likes staying at home and reading books. She likes staying at home and reading books. She also likes playing the piano. She also likes playing the piano. Beauty's father is a merchant. Beauty's father is a merchant. One day he loses all his money because his ship is lost at sea. One day he loses all his money because his ship is lost at sea. My dear children, he says sadly. My dear children, he says sadly. I haven't got much money. We are poor. I haven't got much money. We are poor. We must leave this big house and go and live in the country. We must leave this big house and go and live in the country. Oh dear, say the 2 sisters. Oh dear, say the 2 sisters. We are poor. This is terrible. We are poor. This is terrible. What bad luck, say the 3 brothers. What bad luck, say the 3 brothers. We have to work now, says Beauty's father. We have to work now, says Beauty's father. Work, say the 2 sisters. Work, say the 2 sisters. No, we don't want to work. No, we don't want to work. And we don't want to live in the country. And we don't want to live in the country. They start to cry. They start to cry.